Okay, stop.
I hit it too early.
Oh, yeah. Okay, forward.
I am. It's like almost full forward. That's got to switch.
Yeah. Yeah, you could probably stop now. Not quite. Almost. Okay, come on back. When we get onto this, we've got to pull both cars clear of this point so I can get behind it.
Okay, I'm coming back. I'm gonna not go as fast this time.
Yeah. Actually, what we're gonna do, now that I think about this, is we're gonna have to leave them clear of this point because I've got to come back down through the ladder.
Look at that. Look at that.
Yeah, there you go.
Yeah. Oh, you want me to
3 feet. There you go, right there. Okay, forward. Just crawl forward.
There we go. Coupler problem?
Yeah, crawl forward. We got to get that tanker clear
past.
213. And
dragging. Give it some more.
Oh, well, no, this isn't going to work. Back it up, because we've got to get this
off.
We've got to put this in between these two cars.
Yes.
Is what we've got to do. Okay, right there, you can stop. You can stop.
It is. I'm at like full throttle.
Okay, forward.
What is it doing?
We got to get back on this.
So 213. Just get ready. $213.
Yep. Okay, come on back.
Gotta cancel that momentum. I knew something was missing.
Okay, right there.
Oh, it's not. I'm not.
Okay, come on forward. We're going to come back and get these and pull them clear of
Clear the
212.
So I need to go up to 213 again.
Yep.
It'll wobble.
Okay, come on back. So we've ganged these together. Any of the crossovers, we've ganged them together with the same switch number.
Yeah, well, it makes them easier.
That's right. We had to put some thought into some of that in some places.
Because it's probably hard.
Well,
wiring.
Not really. They're in parallel, so. But all of this is detected, so ultimately we'll have a control panel that can see how everything is thrown. Okay, come on forward. We're gonna clear this point right here.
212.
We've got to clear 213 actually.
Okay.
But see, everybody's running on this. Nobody's running on this, so I can leave this fouled.
Wait, everybody's running on which one?
They're running on this. No one's been running on this. I mean, it's this track right here. No one's been running.
What is does it have its own loop?
Yeah.
Or no?
Yeah.
It should run it.
Okay, one more car length. Right there is good. Right there is good. We'll just leave these two right here.
You want the Texaco, right?
Yeah, I got both of these.
I'm
so
good.
You can keep going and cross over right there.
Is that
going forward?
Yeah, it's just building up speed right now.
Yeah, 208. Crossover.
That was slow.
Yep.
I go take it back to the yard. Right?
Where are you going?
Back to the yard. Yeah.
Okay.
That's right.
Okay,
Going that
yeah,
way.
Sure.